Right triangle application problem. So in this one, what's going on is a person is trying to measure the height of this tree. So what they've done is they've walked 30 feet away from the base of the tree. Then they measured this angle of elevation going from the ground up to the top of the tree. So they measured that to be 57 degrees. And our goal is to find the height of this tree. So a couple of things we have to kind of assume as we go through this. One, it's going to be a right triangle. We're assuming this tree is growing straight up and down. The next thing is I'm going to go ahead and label, we want to know the height of this tree. So I want to know this side X over here, the height of the tree. The last thing is we need to set up some sort of equation that connects together X, this side length, and then 30 feet, the bottom of this triangle. So one way to do this is we could focus on the 57 degrees and label these as this is the opposite side of our triangle and the adjacent side of our triangle is the bottom. So we want to pick out the trigonometric ratio that connects together opposite and adjacent. So using SohCahToa, the easiest one to pick out is going to be tangent is going to have opposite over adjacent. So we can say to ourselves that the tangent of our angle, 57 degrees, is going to be equal to the opposite, x, over the adjacent, 30. So now we have an equation that only has one unknown. We don't know what x is, so we have to do a little bit of work to solve down for x. Shouldn't be too bad on the right-hand side. It's just x divided by 30. So we're going to move the 30 to the other side by multiplying both sides by 30. That'll isolate x on one side all by itself. Now 57 degrees is not a nice angle, one that we are super comfortable with, like 30, 45, or 60 degrees. So this is a great opportunity to get out our calculator. Make sure we're in degree mode because this is 57 degrees, and then type in 30 multiplied by tangent button, 57, maybe close off some parentheses and press enter. I got this to equal 46.2, and because our our bottom of this triangle is in feet, this too will be in feet, so the units stay consistent. Hope this helps out. If you don't have a picture given to you from the very beginning, draw yourself a nice right triangle. Try to label the sides as you go as well. It gets a little bit confusing, which one's opposite, which one's adjacent. So I would definitely suggest label the sides as you're trying to figure out which SohCahToa trigonometric ratio you're going to set up to create your equation. All right, hope this helps. Good luck on applications.